What's up, you guys? Welcome back. As you guys can already tell from my background, today we are doing another PR unboxing. I know you guys love these videos, so I have been doing them monthly just to show you guys the new things that are coming out in makeup. And I'm pretty sure we have a lot of really good things behind us today, so I am so excited to unbox these. And I'm even more excited because I got the opportunity to partner with Clinique on today's video, so big shout out to them for sponsoring today's PR unboxing. If you guys like these videos, be sure to give it a big thumbs up so I know to keep doing them, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. YouTube has been super shiesty recently with sending out notifications to YouTube subscribers, so be sure to hit that bell so you don't miss my future videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This side over here is a little bit higher, so I think I'm gonna start with this side because I'm scared it's gonna like crash down and hit me in the head and kill me. You know, just rational fears. So let's grab this guy right here. And this first box is from Tarte. Oh, I just realized that I don't have the little thing to open my boxes. All right, we're back and in business. I got this handy dandy little razor blade thing that Steven got me that I always get a little nervous using, but we're gonna open up this package. I think I know what this is. I think it is their newly packaged concealer. Ooh, yes, I was right. Okay, so this is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I am so excited about this. This is not actually a new concealer. Tarte has had this concealer for quite some time, but it used to come in like a little squeezy tube. And to be completely honest with you guys, I don't typically use like squeezy tube concealers. I love concealers with wands. That's just typically what I like. So I don't even think I've ever tried that concealer, even though like Tarte has had it for so long. So I'm so excited they repackaged it. This is the new packaging, which looks really, really nice. I'll go ahead and take it out so we can see. So I love the packaging, and then I'm assuming it's a doe foot. Yes, okay, super cool. So I'm really, really, really excited to try this out. I can definitely use this in like an upcoming first impressions makeup tutorial, or I could even do a video where we like compare this with Shape Tape and see which one is better, because you guys know I'm really loyal to Tarte Shape Tape. It's my all-time favorite concealer, but I'm definitely excited to try this out. This is the Creaseless Concealer, and not only did they repackage it, but it now comes in 30 different shades. So we have all of the 30 shades here, which is super awesome to see. And I have the little pamphlet here, and it does say that it's vegan and waterproof, and Tarte is cruelty-free, and that it hydrates skin for 16 hours. Your girl needs the hydration. And that it's full coverage, a tiny bit goes a long way. So I'm really, really eager to test this out and see how it works. And you know what, you guys? Tarte actually gave me their new Creaseless Concealer on the trip when we were in Costa Rica. I still have not tried it out yet, but I do already have it, and it's the same shades as the one in here. Plus, this package gives you all of the shades. So what I'm actually gonna do is give this away to one of you guys. Typically, I don't give away like complexion products because I can never tell, you know, what your complexion is gonna be and what's gonna match you. But since this does give you an option to have like all of them, I'm gonna give this away to one of you guys. So to enter the giveaway, all you guys have to do is subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I'll put it up on the screen right here. It's at Strack Official. I do tons of giveaways on there, so if you guys like giveaways, you should follow me on Instagram anyways. And then just comment down below your favorite TV show right now. I would love to hear what your favorite TV show is, and then you will be entered to win this entire concealer collection. Yay for giveaways. All right, gonna grab another one from this side, and this one is from Salon. Perfect, my favorite. You guys know I love their lashes. Their lashes are like my absolute favorite, so I always get so excited when I get a package from them. Very pretty, very pretty. Now let's see what's inside. Ooh, wow, oh my God, these look so nice. Let me get rid of some of these so you guys can see. This is their Silk Noir collection, and there's my girl Daisy right there. She is so, so cute. If you guys don't follow her, at Daisy Cash on Instagram, she is adorable, so love seeing her there. And then these are their new Silk Noir lashes. These ones are calling my name. The 652s, like, yes, please. Let me put this down so I can take them out and show you guys. So these are the 652s, they're very wispy. I'm wearing the 614s right now, which you guys know are my all-time favorite lashes, but these kind of look like a fuller, almost version of them, so I'm excited. And if you guys didn't know, Salon Perfect is exclusive to Walmart, so that's where you can get their lashes. Then we have the 651s, which are like super voluminous. And then we have the 650s, which are kind of like in between. So I'm really, really excited to try these out. Super, super cute. Thank you so much. All right, moving right along. This next box is from Pure. You guys know I love their stuff too. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my God, they sent us like legit boxing gloves, you guys. Oh my God, this makes me want to go to like CKO now, like that cool like kickboxing gym, because now I have gloves. Oh, so cool. So they say Pore Punisher on them. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so we have their new Purple Pore Punisher Pore Tightening Mask. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I'm really excited to try this out. It's one of those peel off masks. As you guys can see, the girl in the picture is like peeling it off, and I love peel off masks. The only thing I like better than peel off is like sheet masks, but peel off is really good because I feel like it gets all that gunk out of your skin, and anything that's gonna make my pores smaller is for me. So I am definitely gonna try this out, like literally probably tonight. Ooh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. And then we also got a bottle of their Miracle Mist. This is like, it's not really a setting spray, I guess I wouldn't call it that. Like you can put this on your skin like after you do your skincare routine. So it actually says to apply this on your skin after you do the mask for hydration, which you guys know I need. So this is super cool. I actually have tried this a couple times and really liked it. It feels really refreshing on your skin. So thank you so much, Pure. All right, let's do one more. Ooh, this one's heavy. This one is from like a printing agency, so I don't know who the brand is. So let's see. These are always the fun ones because it's like a surprise. You have no idea what is gonna be inside. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this. Oh, these are the new Benefit foundations, I think. I've been seeing this all over social media. Oh, I'm so excited. You guys know I'm a foundation junkie. Like that is like my favorite form of makeup. I love testing new foundations. So let's see. I think that's what this is because it's from Benefit. It could be something else. And do you guys see this bubble wrap on this is like hearts. Like, can you see that? Like, so much like effort and thought goes into like PR packages, and I just think that's so, so cute. Yes, okay, so this is the new foundation, the Hello Happy Soft Blur. So let's open this. I'm not sure which way it opens. I hear a lot of rattling in there. Okay, so the top just comes off, and then we have the foundations inside. So we have shade 6. Oh, I think they sent us all of the shades. So shade 11, shade 2. Oh, and we have these little sunglasses. These are cute. Oh, this is what was bouncing around. There's like little bouncy balls inside. Oh my God, that is adorable. I used to love these when I was a kid. I would like throw them as hard as I could at the ground. Oh, cool. Okay, so we got all of the different shades in the new foundation. I'm really, really excited to try this out. Oh, it does have sunscreen in it too. And it says it's a light to medium coverage liquid foundation. So it should be really nice for the summer for like an everyday foundation. So let me know if you guys want to see a review on this. I can definitely do that. I'm really, really eager to try this out. Or if you guys just want me to throw it into a video where I do tons of first impressions, I can definitely do that as well. I don't know if you guys want dedicated or just throw it into another video. Let me know down below in the comments and I can definitely talk about it on my channel. I am looking at the little pamphlet here. There is only 12 shades, which I don't love that. I wish there was more shades. To be completely honest with you guys. It does say on the back here that it's a neutral undertone foundation which offers flexibility to stretch across tones. So I would be interested in testing that in a video, you know, as well, just to see. But yeah, super, super eager to try this out. So thank you so much, Benefit, for sending that over. All right, now I'm gonna hop over to this side because I feel like they're very unequal now. And this first package is from Clinique. Yay, I am so excited to try this. I knew they were sending it over and I am so, so eager. This is their Almost lipstick in the shade Black Honey. And this is supposed to be like a one-size-fits-all lipstick, so it's supposed to be like universally flattering, and I am so excited to test it. I just feel like it's a really cool kind of concept. So it looks like super, super dark, but then when you put it on, it might be a little different. So let's try it out. I'm gonna take off what I have on my lips right now so we put it on bare lips so we can really see. All right, let's try this guy out. It feels really, really creamy upon application. And do you guys see how it's so different than like the actual color? Like it's literally like morphing to my skin and to my lips, which is awesome. Oh my God, this feels so nice on my lips. So upon application, I love how creamy and hydrating it feels to my lips. And I feel like the color is literally like my lips, but better. Like it's just like an amped up version of your natural lips. So I feel like this is such an amazing everyday shade. And you could just like throw this in your purse and just keep applying it throughout the day. Like it literally looks so, so pretty and natural, which I love. And you guys can get this at Sephora. It retails for $17.50. So you guys can just go to Sephora and try it out yourself. But I am like obsessed. Like it's so pretty. And it feels so, so nice on my lips. Like it doesn't feel like this thick drying lipstick on my lips. Like it feels super, super hydrating, but it gives you that look like you have a beautiful lipstick on. So I love it. All right, moving right along. This package is from PR Company, so let's see. A nice little wrap. Oh, I think this is a Lumee case. Oh, you guys know I love Lumee. They're like the best phone cases. Wow, oh my God, this one's so pretty. It's like purple tie-dye. I love that. And it's just like lights up. It's a lighted phone case. I actually have a Lumee on my phone right now. This is the Kimoji one, which I really like too. It says like lit on it, but it lights up the front and then it also lights up the back. So I love, love, love Lumee, and this is so, so pretty. Wow, I love the purple tie-dye. Thank you so much. That's like super summery. I feel like it's great for summer. All right. Up next we have Moroccan oil. I love their hair products. They are bomb. Oh, okay, so these are not actually hair products. These are like their body products, which is really cool because I don't know that I've ever tried body products from them. I love their hair, but I don't know about body. So this is their Body Buff Exfoliating Sand Body Smoother. I need to exfoliate right now because my self-tan is very old and patchy. Then we have a face SPF lotion, an After Sun Milk, a soothing body lotion. That is awesome. Like if you get a little burn or something, this can help to soothe it. So that's really, really cool. Thank you. And then we have a body SPF as well. And it says that it's a hydrating sun protector. So that's super cool. Thank you so much, Moroccan Oil. Okay. This package is from Starskin. I believe they make masks. And if I remember correctly, they make bomb sheet masks, which I already said that I love, so let's see. Ooh, okay, yeah, so we have masks. They're all tied with this cute little bow, and they are 100% camellia oil? Is that how you say that? I don't know. I feel like I've never tried camellia oil before. I'm probably butchering the name, but these are 100% that oil. So it says it's a 2-step oil sheet mask. So I guess step 1 is you put the oil all over your face, and then step 2 is you put the sheet mask like on top of it. So that's pretty cool. I've never tried a mask like that where you kind of do it in like 2 different steps, but that is really, really cool. So you put it on for like 15 minutes and then wash it off. Definitely gonna try these. Up next we have e.l.f. Ooh, there's a cute little box in here. We have a cute little box with a ribbon. It looks like it maybe was tied at one point and I don't know, somehow it got untied in the box, but let's see. Ooh, okay, so we have their rose gold eyeshadow palette. Oh, we have a Power Glow highlighter in gold. This is like a little compact mirror. Booster drops. This is like new stuff. I have never seen this. Maybe I'll do this in a video too. And then their natural glow lotion in luminous gold. So this would be like a beautiful, really dewy, glowy skin kind of look. And then we have a lemon infused brightening mask. I didn't know e.l.f. had like masks, like sheet masks like this. Cool. This is a DHL box, so I think it's from Loving Tan because they're in Australia, so they normally come DHL. I always know when I get DHL, it's either Loving Tan or Huda Beauty because they're both like international brands that I really like, and they typically ship DHL. Oh, this is so cute. It says Kelly, Steve, Penelope, and Prince, happy 4th of July from the Loving Tan team. They always send like super cute things for like holidays. And I think it's really cool too because like they're not a US based brand, but they will still send like cute things for 4th of July and stuff like that, which I think is really nice. It really shows that they like do their research and stuff and like, you know, care, I guess, about the influencers that they work with. So that's really, really cool. We have some little chocolates on top. Oh my God, look at this for Prince and for Penelope. These little things for their heads. Thank you so much. Oh my God, this is so cute. They're like little visors. Thank you. Oh my God, obsessed. Then we have, I think this is like a blanket. Wow, this is so, so nice. Thank you. This is like a super nice blanket. Thank you so much. We have another one too. Thank you guys. Wow. Super cute. And then of course their best part is their tanner. So we have their deluxe bronzing mousse in ultra dark, which is what I use. We have a tanning mitt, and then we also have their bronze shimmer in ultra dark. So thank you so, so much. I love the Loving Tan team. They are so sweet. So thank you so much. Up next we have Scentbird. Oh, so this little package is for National Rosé Day, which was on June 9th. Unfortunately, I was traveling, so I didn't get it till now. But oh my God, oh, this is cute. They sent me a little can of like rosé wine. Thank you so much. And they also sent me a little perfume. Ooh, it smells good. Ooh, thank you so much. This package is from Koki. I'm really, really excited because I've never tried any of their stuff before, but my friend Jasmine from Juicy Jazz, I'm pretty sure she's featured their stuff on her channel, and it always looks like really, really cool. So I'm super eager to try their stuff. So they sent me 2 eyeshadow palettes, both which look really, really cute. These remind me of the little MAC palettes like this. Ooh, then we have liquid highlighters. These look really, really pretty. And then we have a bunch of different lippies. Thank you so much. They're all like neutrally nudes, which I personally love. And then we have some lip liners in there too. So thank you so much. I'm super eager to test this brand out. Then we have this big guy right here. And this is from By Terry. Oh my God, you guys, this is so cute. It's like this little beach bag. This is adorable. Oh my God, thank you. Oh, and then we have a bunch of By Terry products inside. I honestly have not tried that many of their products. I've tried their lip glosses before and I remember really liking them. So I'm super excited to try like more from them. So we have another sunscreen. Girl, I am set on sunscreen, which is perfect because I need it. I burn really bad. We have their dual lipstick. We have their Sun Designer palettes. Let's open these because I don't know what they are. They come in a couple different shades, so I got multiples of them. Ooh, oh my God, these are beautiful. Wow, this one is in the shade Hippie Chic. I love that. Very, very pretty. And then a bunch more lippies. And then a super cute beach towel. Oh my God, and it says my initials on it. Oh my God, it says KS. Thank you so much. Wow, that was so sweet. Thank you. Oh, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I am like decked out and set for the beach this year. All right, almost done. This package is from Japonesque. This is so cute. We have this adorable little purse inside. Let's see what's inside here. I think we have some makeup. So inside we have their Ibiza, I think that's how you say it, Nights Pencil Trio, and then the Ibiza Nights Face Palette. All right, let's check out the face palette. Love the packaging. Ooh, very pretty. Wow, these highlights look super pretty. Wow. Love it. Thank you so much. And then we also have these sunglasses from Thomas James. Ooh, these are so cute. Let's try them on. I like these. They're like different than regular aviators. Thank you. All right, we are moving on to the last two boxes. Ooh, this one is from MAC and this is their new collection. This is so cool. How do I open it? I wanna see what's inside. Ooh, okay. Very cool, very unique. Oh my God, this is like really cool actually. Ooh, all right, let me put this down so I can actually like hold it and open it. Wow, this is super, super cute. Inside we have like a little handkerchief, or actually not a handkerchief, bandana. And then we have the entire new Alaya collection. I have like all the lippies in my hands right now. I love the packaging, oh my gosh. So there is 4 different lipsticks, some lip glosses. This one looks so pretty. I might put this on right now. Ooh, yes, I like it. Super pretty, ooh. Smells really good too. Lip liners. And we have a really pretty palette. Ooh, very nice. And then what is this? Ooh, a bronzer. Let's see it. Ooh, very, very pretty. I love how it's like embossed with the signature. That's super pretty. This collection looks really, really pretty. So let me know if you guys want to see like a full review on it and I can definitely do that. Now we're gonna move on to our last box. This guy is big and it is from Simple Human. Ooh, I am super excited about this. This is their Sensor Mirror Trio and it's in the shade Rose Gold. Like how pretty does that look? And it's like a lighted mirror and then it also has like a little magnification mirror down here too. So I am so excited. It's supposed to like really let you see yourself like in the exact light, like how your makeup will actually look when you're outside, inside, like all that different stuff. So this is really, really cool. And it's cordless too, which is like so much easier than a lot of the like lighted mirrors that you have to like plug in. So it's really good for travel as well. Ooh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. All right, you guys, so that is everything. I hope that you did enjoy this PR unboxing. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.